guys, my name's Tiffany. I'm a dentist and photographer from Los Angeles. It's so cool that a community like this exists, and I'm just really excited to connect with other writers, hopefully meet some other girls on this class as well. I'm just really looking for a class that's going to help me be confident out there so I can take my writer on new adventures.
There's a specific definition of total control, and that means being able to put the bike where you want, when you want.
How will you apply the throttle?
Gradual.
Excellent. Yeah, and when it comes to turns specifically, that'll be looking through the turn.
All right, so we just finished the theory section of the class, and now we're actually about to hop on the Riker and pretty much take what we learned in the class and apply it to what we're gonna do on the road. This is my instructor, Elliot. He's been showing me the ropes all day, teaching me the ins and outs of my Riker and just making sure that I feel comfortable and safe on the road. Operating the controls and starting the engine. So simply just learning how to start the engine and turning it on. Stopping quickly. It was actually really fun because we were going in a straight line and then all of a sudden we had to stop at the cone. You can really feel like the ABS kicking in. Riding the perimeter. So just taking loops, making left turns, making right turns, just getting really comfortable turning. Entering turns. This was really important because I felt like when I was turning, he was teaching me different techniques on how to make those smooth turns, just turning my shoulders, turning my head, looking. That was really helpful.
There we go, much better, good.
So check out Can-Am's website for more information, and there's also a Facebook group called Women of On-Road, and it's a great place to meet other riders, other female riders, ask questions, share tips. It's just a great community to be a part of.